Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a happy mail that I got from Miss Janet Nash in the mail yesterday. And this was a card that she made on a live. It's a postcard. I can't show the other side. Let me see. There we go. So it's a fabric postcard that she made live. She did a random number picker, and I had picked a number for one of the people that weren't there, and I got the right number. So she sent one to uh, the person that I picked the number for, and one to myself. So I just want to show y'all how cute this is. She's got kitty cats over here. She's got an owl that she sewed in here. Don't know how she done it, but that thing is so tiny. She sewed it in. Then she's got her signature heart here. A little tree with flower blossoms on it. And the word friends on a little flag. I really like this. I want to learn how to sew like this on a postcard. Something new to try. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you didn't already do so, please do subscribe by hitting that big red subscribe button down below and subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, with that being said, please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye bye for now.